Hey there guys, in this video let's see about the advanced IP scanner, and before we get into the video let's see some alternatives for the advanced IP scanner. So some alternatives for the advanced IP scanner is the Angry IP scanner and also the ZenMap. Well, Nmap is a command line interface. I'm talking about the graphical user interface tools. Okay, so I've already written a blog post on the ZenMap and also about the Angry IP scanner, so you can find the blog post over here. And also I have written a blog post on Angry IP scanner. So if you're not interested to read the blog post, you can just watch the video. So the video link will be in the description box below, both the ZenMap and the Angry IP videos. So comparing to the advanced IP scanner, I like the ZenMap tool and also the Angry IP scanner. So let's see how does the advanced IP scanner work. So to download, just come to this site, and this site link will be also in the description box below. So I will just open this advanced IP scanner. So the interface looks something like this. You can see there are no options. It is really plain. You can just enter the IP address. So for example, I just enter 192. So I've already scanned for some IP addresses, and it is not much faster comparing to the Angry IP scanner. So I'll just run the scan. So I'm doing a range scan, so I don't want to do that. It will be taking for 5 minutes. It will run up to 5 minutes. So I'll just do a single IP address scan. So let's wait for the results. So in between, let's see what we got in the Angry IP. So it is a full tutorial on the Angry IP and the ZenMap. So do watch that videos. So the results are here. So we can see the operating system, and we can see the services also, but it is not working. Okay, why not? Let's go with the domain name and run the scan. So the scan is going on. We could see the results at the down bottom. We can see it is 40% over here. And over here on the right side tab, we can see that status is alive, and we can see the IP address of the domain name we have entered. I hope that we will also get the MAC address, because I have already targeted this domain in my Nmap tool. So in the Nmap I got the MAC address also. I hope I will get the MAC address. So I didn't get the MAC address. So as you could see, the advanced IP scanner just scans for the IP address, and it is not giving much information. So comparing to advanced IP scanner, the Angry IP and the ZenMap is the best. So just go for the ZenMap or Angry IP scanner. And you can also find some other features. So you can just give a right click on the tab on the toolbar, the main one, and give show Mozilla tools. And it shows that show RAdmin toolbar and show action toolbars, and you can find all the other features. But according to me, if we enter the target, we should get at least the operating system information. But I didn't get even the operating system information. I should go further into the consoles or whatever, and I should do further enumeration and get the operating system information. So better try avoiding the advanced IP scanner and go for the ZenMap. And so I hope this video helped you a lot, guys. So make sure you give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video, guys.